Samyang is bringing to the market new high-end lenses, meeting the demands of more cinematographers by launching its new premium XEEN lens lineup. This includes the XEEN Anamorphic 50mm T2.3 X2, which is the first anamorphic glass by Samyang, and XEEN Meister 35mm, 50mm and 85mm T1.3 Prime lenses. The new premium XEEN lenses, which cover full-frame sensors, are designed for high-end digital cinematography targeting the full-frame filmmakers. The XEEN Anamorphic 50mm T2.3 will be available for PL mount only, and the Meister 35, 50, and 85mm T1.3 will be available in 3 different mounts: PL, Sony E, and Canon EF mount. The XEEN Anamorphic is compatible with the full-frame PL mount cameras and offers excellent quality, high resolution, and excellent sharpness. The lens is suitable for shooting Ultra HD or 4K and 8K resolutions. It covers a 2.55:1 original cinematic scope ratio and a 35mm full-frame sensor. The newly developed iris with 15 aperture blades creates perfectly oval and evenly illuminated out-of-focus highlights, and Samyang promises that this design ensures a pleasing bokeh that filmmakers will enjoy manipulating creatively. The lens features 114mm non-rotating front diameter, which is ideal for use with a 4x5 matte box, a 300 degrees wide focus gear rotation, 89.5 degrees aperture ring rotation, and a barrel design made of carbon fiber material, making the lens lightweight while maintaining durability. The XEEN Meister has an outstanding resolution support of 8K. It is a fast lens with T1.3 aperture, which makes it incredible in low light performance as well as producing extreme shallow depth of field. The 13 sheets of aperture blades create the natural-looking background and beautiful round bokeh. The XEEN Meister has a front barrel made of titanium, giving it a luxurious look, and also it makes it light and durable. The lenses are also adopted with the laser-engraved XEEN Meister logo. The lens features a luminous font for convenient use, even in low-light environments. The PL mount versions of the XEEN Meister also include the eye technology protocol, which enables cameras to automatically record the accurate lens metadata. This makes production and post-production more effectively. On paper, these lenses look amazing. Unfortunately, there's no info regarding the price. Let's hope the lenses will be offered at an affordable price tag. Stay tuned for more amazing videos.